Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Guatemalan enchiladas. We will begin by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Next, we will prepare the key components like the tangy curtido and the flavorful ricotta. Then, I will guide you through assembling these vibrant layers, creating a truly authentic dish. Finally, we will add the perfect garnishes to complete your culinary masterpiece, ready to be enjoyed by everyone. For our Guatemalan enchiladas, you will need about 1 pound of ground beef, seasoned to perfection. We will also boil and dice 3 medium potatoes and 2 beets, which add beautiful color and texture. Don't forget to shred 1 head of crisp lettuce and finely chop 1 onion for our tangy curtido. Finally, prepare the rich ricotta using roasted tomatoes, garlic, and a touch of chili for that authentic flavor base. Now for the exciting part, assembly. First, gently dip each corn tortilla into our rich tomato sauce, just enough to soften it. Next, place a generous spoonful of the seasoned ground beef onto the center of the tortilla. Follow this with a layer of the vibrant curtido, our tangy pickled cabbage mixture. Finally, top with the colorful diced potatoes and beets, building a delicious, layered masterpiece. To complete your Guatemalan enchiladas, drizzle a little extra tomato sauce over each one for added moisture and flavor. Garnish generously with a slice of hard-boiled egg and a sprinkle of fresh parsley, adding both beauty and taste. For an authentic touch, sprinkle some crumbled queso seco or a similar firm cheese over the top. Serve these vibrant, flavorful enchiladas immediately and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.